This sales tip, this closing technique will save you countless hours and really reduce your stress. It comes to the point where you've already made your presentation and you're far enough along in your customer's buying journey and they put up an objection. They may say something to you like, your price is too high. Now there's ways to deal with it, and we've talked about that in the past. You might say, sounds like price is an issue for you, and then you can discuss that. And once you discuss it, you come back and ask them this. Is this the only thing that's keeping you from moving ahead with our company? And then shut up. Don't say anything else. If they say, yes, it's just the price. If we can agree on that, we've got a deal. But what happens sometimes is you'll go back and say, oh, it's just the price. I go, yeah, it's just the price. And the average salesperson will say, well, let me see if I can fix that for you. Don't do that. Don't be average. What you need to say after that, after you discuss the price, is say, is there anything else that's keeping you from moving ahead with our company? They say no, and you're on your way to getting a deal. What you don't want to be is the errand boy or the errand girl and go back and forth and back and forth. Waste your time, increases your stress, that lengthens the sale of the deal and making your customer happy with your product or service. I hope this helps you. If you haven't already, please subscribe and ring the notification bell. It really helps my YouTube channel grow and it'll help me create more videos for you. Thank you.